Hey everyone, hope you guys are having a great weekend. Today I'm going to take you through some footage of me tuning up my 22 nozzler barrel for varmint hunting this summer. I'm not entirely happy with how it performed last year, so I'm looking to make some changes. At 55,000 psi, my rifle wasn't grouping, it was begging for mercy. So I suspect I can make some improvements by dropping my powder charge. First, let's take a look and see how the old load is performing. .835 inches for 5 shots is not ideal for prairie dog hunting. Ideally, I'd like to see something like a 3/4 inch group for 10 shots. So let's start our powder ladder at 49,800 psi and work our way up to 54,960 psi and see what we get. I'm going to shoot the first 5 of my charge weights at one bullseye and shoot the last 5 at a different bullseye. Then I can get a general idea about where it wants to shoot. Looks like group 1 is where it wants to be. 5 different charge weights inside of .320 inches. That is encouraging. I think I'm going to load up charge weight number 3 and start testing this out to 500 yards. See you next time.